Okay, where was I? Okay, this thing asking you to buy VIP or something. Okay, this I added like 5 paintings, right? If I wanted to see how they look on the website, so you just keep the website open, and this is the home page, right? The artists and Lee Yun, and then here I can see just 5 paintings I added here, Lee Yun, and then click on it, and then art info. I just entered like 60-70 inquiry art. Okay, like this. Okay, this is how you view the website. And I changed this menu. I put menu text in there, and then also this toggles, like if it's open, it closes it. If you click it, and if it's closed, then it will open like that. So if you have a big enough screen, it's always like open, like but if your screen is not like big enough, then it will be closed. You need to click on menu icon to open the menu. This is website. This is how you do the art and the artist manager and art. I hope I made it clear. And excuse-moi. There, man.